Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hey, hello guys, my name is Rohit Doifde. My project member is Virendra Desai, Rahul Kadche and Nikhil Gore. My college name is Dil Polytechnic. My project name is to study, prepare report on the construction detail working principle and operation of the engine cooling and lubricating system. Next slide, abstract. Abstract. Engine produce high amount of heat while running. This can raise the temperature to very high level and can damage the size of the engine component. Hence, the safety of engine component is need to run at much lower temperature, which is called as the engine working temperature. Radiator play a vital role in the engine cooling system. When increasing the cooling efficiency of radiator causes increasing the life of engine. The efficiency of radiator can increase by changing the surface of area or dimension of the tube and increasing the number of fine tubes. The heat transfer rate of existing radiator could analyze. After analyzing the existing radiator, the new radiator has been designed to flat plate and placing inside tube which act a nozzle. Hence, the nozzle velocity increase, the pressure decreases. Pressure is directly proportional to temperature. This the temperature is cooling inside the radiator decreases. As the result of efficiency proposed radiator in increasing 5.37% when comparing with existing method. Cooling system of engine is the main essential system is automobile which maintain the engine temperature to sustain condition. Hence, the main object of this project work to propose a single pipe design with a number of connecting hose. Also reduce the coolant leakage. It is also proposed change in piping and material for aluminum alloy and to mild steel which reduce the overall cost and engine cooling system. Finding the proposed design address the cooling leakage problem and reduce the number of part and cooling pipe containing a leakage cost reducing simplified design. Application. The process design would benefit coolant leakage eliminates by reducing the hose defect, reduce hose head loss, cost reduction, improve life of pipe system and automobile heavy vehicle. Introduction. The majority of IC engine have cooled by the air or liquid coolant passing way air fine or radiator. The majority of liquid cooled IC engine using the coolant oil which has been the combination water as well as chemical antifreeze and rust elimination. The industry of wood and antimonious mixture is the coolant of the oil engine cooling system. The coolant is based cooling system minimize the happening of hot spot different avoid the apply air cooler. 3. The rate of heat transfer using coolant oil is 47% higher than the clean water. There, the continuous effort and develop port flow simultaneously capabilities coupled with the heat transfer calculation to analyze the cooling airflow. It is also important get to accurate the cooling flow simulate the aerodynamic as well as modern the mathematically learn to favor heating absence and appropriate correlation when consider flow as weak. Thanks transitory act is smooth heat tube and cooling various electronic apparatus and calculate the liquid flow vapor core as well as weak area passing through hydraulic method. When the aluminum particle causes linear increase thermal conductivity acquire fluid and important the particle size viscosity fluid in respect to thermal conductivity enrichment relation of the terms. The heat transfer performance is super hydraulic core and fabric port within silicon substance and depositing as well as controlling oxidation. The effort of using undiluted gasoline and added blade on peak ignition engine performance and exhaust emission. Next slide is air cooling advantage and disadvantage. Air cooling advantages. Air-cooled engines are lighter because of absence of the radiator, the cooling jacket and the coolant. They can help be employed in the extreme climate where the water may freeze. In certain areas, the security of cooling water, the air-cooled engine in the advantage. Maintenance of the easier because the problem of leakage is not there. Air-cooled engine get up warm and the airline can be water-cooled engine. Disadvantage: it is not easy to maintain every cooling all around the cylinder. The distortion of the cylinder takes place, the defect of the radiation sometimes by using the parallel to the cylinder axis. There the helpful were the number of cylinder and row of the cooler. However, the increasing the overall engine length as the coefficient of the heat transfer here and then that the water tube there the less efficient cooling in the case and result higher useful compression ratio lesser than case air cooler engine than the water cooler on. The fan used to bulky absorb the considered portion of the engine power, about 0.5 to drive it. The air-cooled engine more noisy and because the absence of cooling water which act as the sound insulator. Water cooling advantage. As the circulation of coolant to is maintained to naturally conventional only, the cooling is rather slow. Therefore, have adequate the cooling the capacity of the system has been large. Due to the quantity of coolant being large, it takes more time to engine to reach the operating temperature. Radiator heater tank must be located higher than the top of the cylinder coolant jacket, which is no more possible with the modern body style. Certain minimum level of coolant water must be maintained in the system. If the coolant fall below the level continue of the would break and the system would consequently fail. Engine cooling system diagram. In this diagram shows the coolant is stored in the radiator. Radiator through coolant flowing through the engine. Engine is temperature high. Then thermostat valve is open. Thermostat valve is open. Then water pump is rotate. Water pump rotate through the coolant is circulating in the all engine parts, and then this coolant is cooling the engine every part. Then this coolant is flowing through the on home position in the radiator. Conclusion. The existing piping in cooling system, the Ashok Leyland Eagle 814 LHD is modified with a reduced number of band, number of connecting hose, and also material is changed from mild aluminum alloy to mild steel. The proposed design would benefit the coolant leakage eliminate by reduction of hose defect, reduce head loss, cost reduction, and improve life of piping system.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.